Dangers after a flood. Snakes and other wildlife may seek shelter in trees, homes, and vehicles. Bats are often injured in heavy rains and winds. Do not handle these or any other bats. Seek immediate treatment if bitten or injured by an animal. Beware of displaced pets. Return home in daylight for best visibility and to be aware of any unsafe power sources. Do not use lanterns or torches until after the premises are safe from gas leaks. Standing water after floods is a breeding place for mosquitoes. Drain all standing water and empty water from outdoor items such as old tires, cans, and flower pot bases. Protect yourself with an appropriate insect repellent. Let no one re-enter your home while flooded unless the main electrical switch has been turned off. Wear shoes in post-flooded areas to reduce the chances of punctures or cuts from nails and other sharp contaminated objects.